Hey everybody, welcome back to Women Blazing Trails. My name is Eva, and today I want to talk about another face mask that I found. I think you guys are going to really like it. Now, if you watched the last video about the turmeric face mask, that was really cool. If you haven't seen it yet, you should go back and watch it because I experimented with the turmeric face mask. I added my own kind of ingredients because halfway through the turmeric mask experiment, I got like zits, so I needed to add more shit to the masks to get rid of the fucking zits that I got. So anyway, I did the turmeric mask for like I did this experiment in particular for like a week, and the results were okay, but I carried on and I continued with it. But I also did a little bit of research and I found other masks that I think are super cool, so I want to share them with you. And today, the mask that I want to share with you, and I don't want to make this channel all about face masks, but if I find cool shit, I want to share it with you. That's why I created this channel, to entertain, educate, inform, inspire, motivate. It's a random channel. We do all kinds of fun shit on here. Okay, so the mask that I found the other day was probably about a month ago, and of course I made my own. Like, I took her ingredients, and I'll drop her link. She has a really weird name. I can't even pronounce it. But she's super pretty and she's got fucking great skin. So I'll drop her link down below to her YouTube channel. But it was a coffee rice yogurt face mask, and it was supposed to do all kinds of stuff. So what I did was I took the coffee, the yogurt, the turmeric, and I added in some tea tree oil, and I think I added in a couple of drops of peppermint oil. Tea tree oil and peppermint oil are really good for zits, and Eva's like breaking out like crazy. Turmeric is good for face brightening and lightening. And I wanted to tell you guys too, that last turmeric face mask experiment that I did. So, and I didn't show you guys because I didn't really actually realize it till after. It was probably like a week later. I was looking at my face in the mirror one day and I was like, oh my God, those marks are gone. So I generally have, it's like this crazy thing. I generally have like this dark shadow here. I don't even know what it's like. I'm not really sure what it is. It kind of looks like a 5 o'clock shadow. Maybe because so I had, okay, here's a little bit of FYI for you. I had like a full hysterectomy when I was 51 years old. Like, take all these fucking parts out. I don't need them anymore. And I'm bleeding like a slaughtered pig for like way too long. So just remove my parts. So they took all my parts out. We're good to go. And I was taking hormone replacement therapy. I used to call it human replacement therapy. It was HRT. I'm like, yeah, I'm on human replacement therapy. I don't know, Eva's so crazy. So I was starting to get migraines from them. So it was probably about 6 months after my surgery. And I went to the doctor and I said, yeah, I said, I can't take these pills anymore. I have like 5 migraines a week. It was brutal. So I went off of them, and when you don't, I guess, I don't know, when you're a woman over 50 and you don't have any more of your female parts and shit, you have to take like replacement therapy pills and stuff, and I stopped. So I don't know, maybe I was supposed to grow chest hair and facial hair. I don't know what happens, but none of that happened to me. Yay. But I did, so I'm getting back to this thing. So I did have this crazy little band, like it was just on both sides of my face. It was like a dark shadow, and you would see it if you were like staring at me and talking to me and just staring at me, and you would probably notice it. I mean, I knew it was there. So anyway, I noticed that they're like gone. Like gone, like they're gone. I have another big, Eva has another big zit, but they're gone. That band is gone. So I was like, God damn, that turmeric mask actually fucking worked. So yeah, it does really work for like scarring and dark patches and all that stuff. It really worked. Anyway, let's get back to the super cool coffee mask. So what I've done, and we want our mask to kind of look like that, right? So coffee, and I'm going to drop the ingredients and my measurements. Well, you can play with it and make it your own. Like, I like to Google. I did a lot of research. I like to Google different kinds of natural herbs and oils and things you can find in your kitchen, all that stuff that's good for your face type, because we all have different face types, right? So I have wrinkles, obviously, and I have enlarged pores, and I have acne scarring, and I still get zits, and I have oily skin. So I have like this crazy motherfucking combination skin stuff. So I put a lot of stuff in my masks. So in my mask, I have coffee, turmeric, yogurt. I think I ground up some oatmeal as well, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and I think that's all I put in here. So, and this is and I showed you earlier, like baby diarrhea, yuck. But that's the consistency you want it. When honey, I put honey in here too, because honey has, honey has antibacterial properties and all that good stuff. Sorry for making all that noise. So let's get to this and put this gross stuff on our face. I like to keep my masks in the fridge so it's cold. Now, this chick here that's on YouTube, her name is Kimchi, I don't know, she's got a weird name. She like grinds her stuff like in a blender, like the coffee and the rice and the oatmeal. But I just have a blender it's like a liquid blender. It's not like a food blender. So I tried to blend the coffee as best as I possibly could, but it's still kind of grainy. But you do want the coffee. Like mine's way too grainy. It shouldn't be this. Whatever. It's so cold right here. Like this is like my forehead clitoris thing that I got going on here. Like this is like the most sensitive part, and it's always so cold there. Yeah, anyway, so you want it to be exfoliating, right? I mean, that's the purpose of the coffee is kind of twofold, because you want a gentle exfoliation as well as the oatmeal gentle exfoliation. So mine's just a little bit of a rougher exfoliation, if you will, but when I put it on really gently so it doesn't like shred my skin. So I am gentle when I apply it, and I'll tell you, like, it smells really good. It kind of looks gross, I know, but it smells really good because I have peppermint oil in here and coffee. Oh, who doesn't want their face to smell like coffee? Oh, I guess if you're not a coffee drinker. So there we go. So I'm going to leave that on, and I get right in here in your eye bag things there. If you have like dark circles, I don't have dark circles. I guess I'm kind of blessed. That way I don't have dark circles, but there's wrinkles there, and you should put the mask on everywhere. There. So we're gonna let that sit. I hate when you like put a mask on and then you're like your fucking nose starts itching and you can't scratch it. We're gonna leave that on for I'll leave it on for 15 minutes or so, and I'll see you back here. I'm going to wash it off. I'll see you back here shortly. Sit tight. Hey there. So I've rinsed off. I got water down my top. Ew, don't you hate that when like water, when you like wash your hands or something and then like water goes up your sleeve and then you feel that water in your sleeve? Pet peeve. I hate that. Anyway, so I've washed all that off my face. Make sure when you do wash your face and dry it, pat dry. Don't like rub your face hard. And also make sure that after you've washed your face, you don't like have any more coffee grinds on your face. Sometimes that happens to me because then when you go out and you have like coffee on your face, people be like, you have coffee on your face, so don't do that. Anyway, so I've washed my face. It feels really nice. It feels soft and it feels super clean. I love the way my face feels after I do that. Now, for those of you that know that I've got this crazy fucking zit thing going on here, I am going to put, usually after I'm done my masks, I like to put my own special little stuff on. So isn't that fucking horrible? So I'm going to put a little bit of tea tree oil on that because that needs to heal. That is nasty, crazy Eva. And a little bit of vitamin E oil. And I also have these little zits right here. So we're gonna, that'll go away soon enough. So normally after I'm done, I like to put straight aloe vera gel on my face. I have to go get a fresh leaf outside. I don't have any right now. Straight aloe vera gel on my face. But I do recommend if you are using heavy turmeric in your masks, because turmeric does have a tendency of leaving a nice little yellow glow on your face. So just take some nice light oil. It could be grapeseed oil, flaxseed oil, jojoba oil, or hemp seed, a nice light oil, and just gently apply it to your face softly and then wipe that off. I like to use a baby wipe. So wipe that off with a baby wipe and you will see that there'll be a little bit of yellow on your face after you've dried it. I didn't do that today because I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying home. So if my face is yellow, I don't really care. So that's the mask. I love this mask. My face feels soft and I feel pretty. I feel like I'm glowing or something today. So anyway, so that's the coffee yogurt turmeric mask. I'm gonna drop down below what I put in it and you tweak it the way you want. If you have problem skin like I do, find good essential oils. I'll drop a link down below to a list of a website that sometimes I go to that's got a list of essential oils and what their purpose is, like their healing benefits for your skin and that kind of stuff. So I'll drop that link down below. And that's it. So that's it for mask number 2, the coffee mask. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm also going to drop a link down below to my coffee page. If you like my channel and you like what I do and you like watching me and if you learned anything, you can support my channel. I'll drop that link down below as well. And I want to do I'm going to do a video soon about here. I'm going to show it to you. Hang on, just sit tight. I'm going to show you this right now. The Instant Ageless Beauty Vials, if you guys haven't tried these, honest to God, like if you don't want to stick needles in your face and get Botox and all that shit, we're gonna do a video on those next, the Instant Ageless Beauty Vials, because they're amazing. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. I love you, and I'll catch y'all back here on the next video. Have a good day. Bye for now.